Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this Empire Access review, including their plans and products, are available in the description below. This review is based on my personal experience using their services. In this video, we're diving deep into Empire Access, a regional internet provider. We'll explore everything you need to know, from their key features and advantages to who might benefit most from their services. Empire Access serves select areas of New York and Pennsylvania, offering fiber optic internet renowned for its blazing fast speeds and impressive reliability. They cater to heavy internet users, remote workers, online gamers, and streaming enthusiasts with plans offering speeds up to a gigabit per second. Their commitment to fiber optic technology guarantees a stable and consistent connection, even during peak hours, making them a compelling choice for those prioritizing high-performance internet. One of Empire Access's most attractive features is their dedication to serving smaller communities and areas often overlooked by larger providers. They bridge the digital divide by bringing reliable, high-speed internet to these underserved regions. Beyond internet, they provide a variety of bundled services, such as TV, phone, and security solutions, allowing customers to tailor their packages and potentially save money. My personal experience with their fiber internet plan has been extremely positive. The speed and performance were outstanding. Demanding tasks like streaming 4K content, participating in video conferences, and uploading large files were all smooth and lag-free. The remarkably low latency was particularly noticeable, a crucial factor for online gaming. The installation process was seamless and professional. Knowledgeable technicians ensured everything was set up correctly and patiently walked me through the entire process. Empire Access also excels in customer service. Their local support team provides personalized and efficient assistance, a refreshing change from the long wait times and impersonal service often experienced with larger providers. However, it's important to note that their coverage area is limited, so availability will depend on your location. If Empire Access services your area, and you're searching for a fast, reliable, and customer-centric internet provider, they are an excellent option. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details and specific plans. I hope this review was insightful. Thanks for watching.